viasis LITE in a lightweight plastic housing compatible with our existing mounting set. The battery compartment can be opened by pulling out the lockable cover. 2 batteries can be inserted as standard to extend the runtime. The power supply can optionally be supplemented by solar or 230 volt. The specially developed protective mask ensures excellent visibility even in strong sunlight. You can use the built-in rotary switch to save the parameters for different speed zones. By simply turning it, you can set the device for a different location. With the USB interface, you can connect to the device with your PC or laptop to read out data or change the settings. You can also easily control and read out the viasis LITE with our app or software for Windows. Additional equipment and information material can be found on our website www.viatraffic.com.